I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper lantern garland. So this is a very easy way of making a paper lantern garland, and it is useful too. So you can hang this on the walls, or you can stick it onto the front doors, or you can also keep this as a home decor. You can use this for Diwali, or you can also use it for any other festival. You can also make this and give it to your children, and they can play with this, and you can also gift it to your friends or family, and it has plenty of uses. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful lantern garland. So first, for this activity, we only need a square piece of paper. So I'm going to be making it in pink color, so I'm taking pink. You guys can take any color you like. So the first step, we're supposed to be folding the paper in half, and now we're supposed to be taking a scissor, and I'm cutting the paper at the bottom part of the paper over here. So we should not cut it completely. I'm just cutting it a little bit like this. So we should only choose a spot like that, and we should cut it until there. So do not cut it until the top. You can cut it until halfway or until quarter. So we have to cut it slowly like this. So you can use a square paper as well as a rectangular paper. It works for anything, but please do not cut it more than half, because if you cut it more than half, it will be more lumpy and huge. So now I'm going to be opening it, and I'm just pressing on it. So after we complete this, we'll get a structure like this. So we'll be having more strips like this. So now we're just supposed to be spinning the paper over here like this. So we're just supposed to be rotating it over here. So now I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle and applying some glue at the corner part of the paper over here. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be spinning this paper slowly along the line. So now I'm just going to be placing two of my index fingers inside, and I'm just going to be pressing it like this. So after we complete this, our paper lantern is ready. So I just made it in a very fast manner. I've already posted a video in my channel about how to make a paper lantern. You guys can view that for more information. So we just have to press it slowly. So do not do it in a hurry. We have to do it slowly so that it works. So I'm just going to be pressing it and making it more strong. So our first lantern is ready. So we have to make many more for the lantern garland. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper lantern garland that only contains 2 lanterns. So I'm just going to be making another one in a fast manner, so you guys can watch my other video as well. So I'm repeating the same steps like this. So now I've completed the other one as well. So we just have to press it up and down and see if it works. So please do not do it in a hurry, as I said. Please do it slowly like this. So as I said, my lantern garland contains only 2 because I'm making it in a very fast manner. So you guys can make more of these if you'd like to make it more. So you can make like about 10 to 15, and you can stick it all across your door or wall. Or you can also make it in a bigger size or smaller size like this. So after we complete this, we're just supposed to be making the handles for this. So for this activity, I'm just going to be taking another different color paper, and I'm going to be cutting out a small rectangular piece like this. So now I'm just going to be cutting this piece in half, and I'm going to be sticking it onto both sides of the garland over here. So for this, I'm just going to be using some tape, because if you use glue, it will be hard to stick, but if you use tape, it will be more easier. So I'm just taking some tape like this. Now I'm separating the tape into 2 parts. So now I'm just going to be sticking this tape onto both sides of the garland slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be sticking one part over here and the other part to the opposite side. So we have to do this slowly like this. So now we're going to be repeating the same step for the another garland as well, for the another lantern as well. So I'm just taking one more piece and I'm sticking both pieces to the opposite sides of the paper. And now I'm just going to be sticking this piece over here as well. So we have to do this slowly and our 2 lanterns will be ready. So this part might come out, so you guys have to keep pressing it to make it more stronger. So now after we get our 2 lanterns, we're just supposed to be making a rectangular strip of paper. So I'm just going to be cutting out a big rectangle like this. And I'm just going to be inserting these 2 lanterns over here. So I'm just going to be folding the paper in half like this, and I'm just going to be folding it in half one more time slowly like this. So I'm just doing it to make the paper more stronger, so you can make it in a singular piece as well. So I'm just going to be inserting this lantern over here and the other one as well. So if it comes out, please stick it again and do not think that it's hard. It's very easy. So after we complete this, we can insert these parts over here, and I'm just going to be folding the papers at the top part to make it look more beautiful, and it will be easy to stick as well. So you guys can apply some glue or tape on the bottom part of these hangings, and you can stick these lanterns over here if you don't want them to shake. But if you leave it like this, it will keep on shaking. But if you see the first one I made, I just applied some tape and I'm sticking these 2 parts over here using tape. So you guys can do this as well. So as I said, you can put more lanterns and make it a big lantern garland. So after we complete this, our paper lantern garland is ready. So as I said, this is a very easy way of making a paper lantern garland, and it is useful too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye, and keep continuing to watch my channel for more interesting videos like this. Bye.